Hi kids, do you like playground with many slides and swings all around? Oh, I love this! So today we are on Play Place and I brought so many animal toys for you to see how they slide from the top of the slide all the way down. Do you want to see how they slide? Let's go! Check it out with me! Dog. Dog. Hey guys, let's see how dog slides. Wow! Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
That was fun! Let's try another animal. Black and white panda. Panda. Do you like panda bear? I love pandas. Wow! Let's see how this panda slides. 1, 2. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom! Yeehaw! Panda slides very well. Zebra with the white and black stripes. I'm wondering, is zebra black with the white stripes? Or zebra is white with the black stripes? I'm so curious. Whoa! I gotta think about that more. I think it's black with the white stripes. Whoa! So let's see how zebra slides. Whoa! You ready? It was so fun! Lion. Let's see how lion slides. Okay, you ready guys? 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! That was fun! Let's do it again. Elephant. With a long trunk and 2 white tusks. Wow! With 4 legs and tail. Wow! Let's see how elephant slides. It's so big! Woo! Let's try it out. 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw! Did you like how it slides? I love it! Elephant, so big. Would you act with me like an elephant? Ooh. 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 With a long and big trunk. Cow. Cow. Let's see how cow slides. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo-hoo-hoo! All the way down. That was so much fun. It was a cow. Cheetah. Cheetah. This is the fastest animal in the world, guys. Wow. Let's see how cheetah slides. Woohoo! You ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo! I like all the way down. Woo! T-Rex. T-Rex. Let's see how T-Rex slides. Oh, come on, guys. Let's see. So I'll let it go. 1, 2, 3. Woo-hoo-hoo! All the way down. That was so much fun. Let's try it again. A hippopotamus with a wide open mouth. Hippopotamus love to swim in the water, but they also love to be in the land. Wow, let's see how hippopotamus slides. Woo! You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Woohoo! Hey my friend, I have just created a brand new video for you. Click here to watch it, and I'll see you right there, right now.